What's up, traders? Welcome to another C-Space trading video. As always, subscribers welcome. I appreciate the follow. So let's go ahead and jump into Micron. If you're not aware, we've been studying Micron for several days now, just kind of keep an eye on it. And plus, we pointed out that this thing is in a downtrending trading channel, as you see here. And it's been kind of bumping along the top and the bottom of this channel ever since June. So good swing plays come into play when it touches the bottom or the top. You can go long or short. And currently we're sitting at a bottom here. A couple of days ago we had this line of support that it was sitting at, top of this area here, and it actually touched this on that big gap down here and just been sitting there the last couple of days. So now that we've gapped down below that and now we're at the bottom of this channel, what do we expect? So I'm a big fan of this candle on a downtrend because it's very indecisive. It had a big push down, then a push back up on decent volume, but let's dig a little closer and look at the volume for today and see when it came in. So a lot of volume came in the first 15 minutes here, where it pushed all the way down to the low of the day around 42.37 in that ballpark, and then pushed right back up all within the first 15 minutes. Then it fell back down, never passed this again, and then it did push back up and decent volume to close the day out. But however, there was more selling here than there was buying. So that's, even though I'm a big fan of this, I'm not a big fan of the fact that a lot of the volume was selling instead of buying. So we're going to continue to watch it. This thing possibly could run up tomorrow and fill this gap around the 44.50 mark before coming back down. But I'm not ready to get in yet. However, I am watching closely because we are at the bottom of this channel, and each time it's touched the bottom of this channel, it's running back up. The only issue is you've seen how it touched here, and for several days it kind of trended along the bottom of this channel. It's kind of what I'm expecting now. Just by, if you look at the weekly, which we're at Tuesday, so it's still very early. This is a very bearish candle here with high volume. So a lot of selling going on last week. And the selling has continued. So what's a good level of support? It's definitely going to be around this 40 mark here. So anywhere, right here at $40, there's going to be a decent level of support. It's been around here a couple of times, even dating back to October of last year, then got around in December, then came back down in February. So that $40 mark, once it gets down here, will be a strong level of resistance or level of support. So we got to keep a close eye on it. And that's what it'll require, is just kind of bump along, and I think it'll definitely bump along this channel to go down here and then possibly run up after that. So hourly is not showing much except the fact that it's still on this channel. So guys, if you are interested in following Micron, go ahead and subscribe. I'll continue to look at this and break it down every day or every other day, just when I say it's necessary. The fact that we broke this support, I've definitely felt that it was necessary to kind of take a look at it. So we're definitely looking for a swing play here, just not ready to make my move until I see this thing starting to reverse on some decent volume. So guys, I appreciate the viewing. If you have any comments, please leave below. And if you like the video, simply click like the video. Guys, I appreciate it. Have a wonderful evening.